Okay, so the update. And I gotta pee. Damn. Alright, so hello. So what I've done is I ripped out the wiper motor, as you saw. It wasn't behaving, wasn't working. So I found a used one, but it's out in Cambridge. So gotta go for a little bit of a drive. I'll take you guys with me, and I'll probably just put it in there just to test it to make sure that all is well. Alright, see you in a bit. Okay, so the update. I got to Das Parts, which is a parts place in Cambridge. New and used parts. The part that we thought would work is slightly different, so it's not gonna fly for me. So Oscar, the owner, looked up what he could get a new one for, which, I mean, for a 19-year-old car is still expensive. I mean, 120 bucks, but it's brand new, and I mean, right? It is what it is. The problem is, I put everything back together because I noticed that the sky was getting dark and it was starting to drizzle. It's definitely raining now. So my problem is now I gotta drive home with minimal wipers. See how that goes. Alright, here we go. And I gotta pee.